Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day on this one. As you can see here, the price is really basically dropped. I'm not going to say all the way back to where it started, but it's a situation where the drift is clearly downwards, and I'm going to zoom back in so we can keep a closer look at some of these other areas. But first key level, if really anything is going to get turned around, is that right there, that area of resistance at $12.25. You can see that, yeah, the day started off with a whole lot of downwards pressure. But then when the price did try to bounce back upwards, that's just the area where you can see it just continue to get rejected over and over again. So that's going to be a main level where I'm not saying that if the price breaks above that area, then that implies the entire chart is going to skyrocket back upwards. But that would, any sort of breaks up above that level would at least make it valid and a rational thought that, okay, yeah, let's start to talk more about bullishness. Maybe the bulls finally are showing up and that there's some genuine momentum that's, finally showing back up into the chart. But again, that's not a guarantee of anything, but it would make sense to at least keep a close eye on that level in terms of resistance levels. And really until you start talking anything bullish, because technically speaking, the price could have a nice little green candle right here, but does that really make the chart bullish? I would argue no, because, you got to first see a little bit of strength, and that first bit of strength would be by getting up above, like I said, that 12.25 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key area of support is just simply where the price and bleeding stopped today, and that sits down there at the $11.10 mark. And then if 11.10 is broken, next key level after that would be down there at that gap close location of the $10 mark. So keep your eye on those technical levels moving forward. But yeah, no doubt about it. The trend is definitely down. The bears seem to be back in control here, but you never know what might happen with these sorts of stocks. So we'll see how the next days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.